Ever wished you could access those sites with a single tap, just like your apps? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to create website shortcuts on your iPhone's home screen. It's super easy and a real time saver. First things first, open Safari or your browser of choice and navigate to the website you want to create a shortcut for, like Google.com or your favorite news site. Ensure the URL is correct, as this is what the shortcut will launch. Now, tap on the share button, which is usually a square with an upwards pointing arrow. It's usually at the bottom of your screen. This button will bring up a sharing menu with lots of options. Scroll through the options until you see Add to Home Screen. Sometimes, you might need to scroll horizontally to find it. Tap this option to proceed. Next, you'll see a panel with the website's name automatically filled in. You're welcome to rename it to something more concise if you prefer, or you can customize the name for easier recognition. Notice the icon. Most websites automatically display their logo, but let's spice it up. You can also change your website shortcuts icon by tapping on the current icon. You'll be redirected to a gallery, or the opportunity to select and upload your custom image. Once you are done customizing, tap Add in the top right corner. The shortcut will instantly appear on your home screen. To test it, tap the new icon. See that? It opens the website instantly. You can arrange the shortcuts as you like. It's that simple. Just like that, you've streamlined your browsing and made your iPhone even more user-friendly. Now, make all your favorite websites a single tap away. Be sure to like and subscribe to your channel for more iPhone hacks.